So before getting into this video, I just want to put a tiny disclaimer in for those that need it. When it comes to the products that I'm about to show, please keep in mind that only purchase these products if you feel that they will help you out, or if you feel that you need them, then purchase them. I will have links provided down below. This video is not sponsored. Also, if you do not need these products, then don't buy them. It's as simple as that. I'd rather see you guys save money instead of spend money. Same thing on my side. But with these products that I'm about to mention have truly helped me save some extra cash because these products fit my lifestyle. So keep that in mind. I know this is not common for a content creator / influencer to say, but I want to be real with you. Even though this is my job, I still want to be real with you guys. So only purchase these things if you truly need them. Alright, so the first item that we're going to talk about having in front of me, this air blower has helped out so much. I'm not going to turn it on. I don't want to scare Milo. He hates this thing. It's not a vacuum. It's just a simple air blower. It comes with different attachments also. It comes with a light as well. But it's a simple air blower to replace the air cans. So it does have a charge port in the back. I believe they have gone up in price ever since I purchased it. I purchased it back in July of 2022. I've been trying this out on everything in the house. When it comes to my car vents, it has this little attachment here with the bristles, spray out all the dust. Same thing with the motor part. I will lift up my hood, take out all of the leaves with this. Not with this attachment, the bristle one, but there's other attachments. But yeah, it's such a great device. It also works amazing for your keyboards. That's what it's meant to do, is for the keyboards. But there's so many other ways to use this. I also clean the vents out in the AC. Like I said, there's so many other ways to use this product, and it has saved me so much money because I'm not purchasing air cans anymore, especially when it comes to cleaning my laptop, like the keys. So instead of purchasing cans like this, I purchased this for $25, and yeah, it has saved me so much money. My boyfriend also uses it for his keyboard and his car, and he loves it just as much as I do. So I'm really glad I came across a reusable air blower. Another thing that you guys have seen me with is my reusable duster. I love this thing so much. It unclips at the bottom, and then you can just put this whole thing in the wash, and then you just snap it back in, and then you use it over and over again. I do not put this in the dryer. You have to let this air dry. It's very important if this air dries, because when you do put this in the dryer, it will shrink and it will not fit this little contraption ever again. So never ever dry these in the dryer. Always air dry them. I remember when I had my first apartment, I used to use these right here. They were a gift from someone I used to work with. I forgot who it was, but one of the girls in the kitchen that I worked with, she gave me those little Swiffer dusters. And then I realized how expensive it is to keep purchasing the disposable rags on top of the contraption. And in my head, I told myself, nope, not doing it. I will wait until I find a reusable one. I love reusable items, you guys know that. So this little guy is going to be with us forever until it breaks. Even if the button ever does come off, knock on wood, I probably will just bring it to a tailor and have them put a new button, and that's it, because I love this thing and I see it lasting for a long time. I do our baseboards with it. I dust the corners of the rooms, I dust the ceiling, our lights on the walls, and it just works amazing. And I wash this once a month with my other reusable items, and that's it. And also, it only takes less than an hour to air dry. I don't know what this is made out of. I think it's made out of microfiber. It feels like it, but I could be wrong. But yeah, it's worth every penny. It's not expensive. I think I paid like $12 for this, and this little guy is going to be with us forever. I think I've had it for about a year and a half now or more. I can't remember when I purchased it, but this is something that is a staple in our household now. Sorry for the lighting, you guys. It's a partly cloudy day, so we're going to be dealing with some awkward lighting. Another random item that has saved me so much money is this Mega Babe Happy Pits Detoxifying Underarm Mask. The reason why this saved me so much money, because it is a product, it's not a reusable product, it's a mask. And when it came to switching over to natural deodorant, I had the toughest time. I went through so many other natural deodorants. You can go back to my videos in 2020, and I was trying out so many different natural deodorants, and they never ever worked for me. I ended up smelling worse with that deodorant on than with it off. So I was still sticking with my aluminum deodorant all the way up till I think it was the end of last July, and I came across this at I think it was Target. I wanted to try the native deodorant, but again, I spent so much money on natural deodorants, like wasted so much money, that I felt like even if I was to try the native deodorant, I felt like it wasn't gonna work for me. And then I seen this and I did research right at the store. I think it was at the in that deodorant aisle for like a half hour, doing my own research on like the reviews and stuff. That's what I do too. I always look up reviews before purchasing something because I'm not trying to waste any more money. I can't believe how much money I've wasted in the past with not looking up reviews. And this product had so many good reviews, and a lot of people swear that this product helped them switch over to aluminum free / natural deodorant. So I gave it a try. I followed the directions in the back, which is to use 1 to 2 times a week, and now it's like up to here. So it's almost gone, and I can wear natural deodorant now. Like, I do not stink anymore. I use the sensitive native deodorant because I had a little bit of a reaction with the baking soda deodorant, but the one that I use now works great. And I swear it's all thanks to this mask, this detoxifying mask. Again, this might not work for everybody, but for me, I've had such an amazing experience with this mask. It's very relaxing and cooling. It's made with charcoal, glycolic acid, and vitamin C. Smell reminds me of a doctor's office, not in a bad way. It smells good. It smells clean, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I really, really like this product, and I'm a true believer that this product has saved me from going through a bunch of other natural deodorants. So if you are struggling when it comes to switching over to natural deodorants, this might work for you, or it might not. Just keep the receipt, because I think you can return them if you want to get your money back. And with me having sensitive skin as it is, this didn't cause no irritation. Yeah, it's wonderful. Another thing that I've been doing lately, this is not a particular product, but this is a trick / tip that's been saving me some money with my moisturizer, and that is to apply my moisturizer with a damp face. This is helping me use less product, and it's also more effective. So for me, I do have acne prone skin. I know you guys can't really tell through the camera. Some camera lenses do have like a face tune where it kind of blurs out the imperfections, but best believe I do get breakouts. And when it comes to getting breakouts, sometimes it's due to me using too much moisturizer. So with me having a damp face and then putting my moisturizer on, I'm using less product, but it is still effective. So it's been working really, really well with me saving money with not using a lot more product, and also with my acne. So I'm not clogging my pores or using a heavy moisturizer, because before I was putting a lot of moisturizer on and I didn't really need that much. So with me just putting my moisturizer on while my face is damp, it works so much better for me. And I know a lot of you guys mentioned in my last skincare video, which I made a couple months back, because I did talk about how I put my moisturizer on with a damp face, and a lot of you guys were doing the same, especially with acne prone skin and saving money. It's a huge win, and you guys agreed. So I don't see any harm in stretching out certain products, especially with me not breaking out as much, because I was putting a little bit too much moisturizer on. And I feel like my skin is a lot more hydrated with me doing that method instead of just putting moisturizer on a dry face. So yeah, I know this is so random to mention, but it has saved me money, and it also has helped me not break out as much. The last thing I want to mention is a 2-in-1. I've talked about this before, but I'm going to talk about it one last time, I promise. And that is my phone case with my DIY magnet. So my phone case was $20. I purchased it last year when I got this phone. Phone case is amazing. It's a dupe for the OtterBox case, so it's a cheaper version of the OtterBox, but it's better than the OtterBox, if that makes any sense. It comes with its own screen protector. I've dropped this phone so many freaking times. Needless to say, this phone has gotten a beating, and it doesn't even show. So this case has saved me so much money, especially with protecting my phone. I do not go for pretty cases anymore. I've been sticking with heavy duty cases because I'm not trying to make my phone look cute. I've said this also in the past. I want my phone to stay intact and work, and yeah, these phones are very expensive, so I want to have a case that is going to protect it so I do not have to spend an arm and a leg to get a new phone. And then when it comes to the magnet part, my boyfriend made this up and it's genius. So every time we had a car holder, like a phone car holder, it would always fall. It would never be strong enough to hold these giant heavy phones nowadays. So what he came up with is to just glue this like magnet into the back of the phone case. This phone case does come with a stand. I personally do not use it. So we kind of covered the stand with the magnet and we put some like Velcro adhesive strips in the back. And that's it. I can just put the magnet onto my the vent of the car and I can see where I'm going with my GPS, so it does not fall anymore. Like I had another phone case in my car and it would constantly fall because, like I said, these phones are heavy. So this whole method works great. The heavy duty phone case, the DIY magnet, and altogether this costs under $30 and I've had it for, it's gonna be 2 years this year. So yeah, no complaints about this. They do have different colors in this phone case if that's your thing. You know, you don't like brown, you want to go with all black or pink. I'll have it linked down below. I personally didn't care about the color. I just wanted something that was going to protect my phone. So anyways, I know I mentioned this setup before and I know I sound like a broken record, but I wanted to mention one last time for those of you that are looking for an affordable heavy duty case and a nice DIY magnet. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. Let me know down below, what is your favorite product that saves you a ton of money?